Today, we're diving into the TP Tapo camera application. We'll cover key features and buttons, helping you make the most out of your Tapo camera experience. Launch the Tapo app. The home screen appears showing all connected devices. Tap on your camera thumbnail to access that specific camera's live feed and settings. This screen displays the live video from the selected camera. You can interact with various controls here. Pan and tilt control. Use the directional arrows to adjust the camera's view. Zoom. Use pinch gestures on the live feed to zoom in and out. Full screen mode. Tap the full screen icon to expand the video feed. Access recorded footage by tapping the playback button below the live feed. Here, you can review and manage recordings. There are also buttons for recording video, taking photos, enabling privacy mode, turning on the alarm, and setting up the microphone and two-way audio on the main page. Access the settings menu by tapping the gear icon on the live feed screen. This menu lets you adjust settings such as camera settings, adjust image quality, motion detection settings, and more. Notification settings, configure alert types and frequency. Storage management, view storage usage and manage memory card settings. You can also remove the camera via the settings menu. That concludes our overview of the TP Tapo camera application. We hope this guide helps you navigate and utilize your Tapo app more effectively.